In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sell online coaching with Payhip. To start, log into your Payhip dashboard. Once you're in, look toward the top of the page and click on the Products tab. This is where you'll see a list of everything you're selling. On the top right, click on Add New Product. A window will pop up showing different product types you can create. From this list, choose Coaching Service. This tells Payhip that you're setting up a coaching offer rather than a digital download or course. Next, you'll be asked to name your coaching service. Pick something clear and descriptive so potential clients immediately understand what you offer. Once you're happy with the name, click Next at the bottom right. Now you'll choose how new clients will sign up, using what Payhip calls the client intake flow. You can allow clients to go directly to checkout, which is best if you want the process to be very quick and simple. You can require an intake form where clients answer questions and then go straight to checkout. Or you can have an intake form plus your approval, meaning clients fill out the form and then wait for you to approve them before they can pay. Choose the option that fits your coaching style, then click Next. After that, set up your pricing plan. You can offer a one-time purchase and simply enter a price. You can create a subscription and choose how often clients are billed, such as weekly, monthly, or yearly. You can set up a payment plan where the total is split into a number of monthly payments, or you can make it free. For each plan, you can add a description, an image, and even create multiple pricing options by clicking Add Another Plan. When you're done, click Next. You'll now choose a start date. You can start on the enrollment date, which works well for ongoing one-to-one coaching, or you can choose a fixed date, which is ideal for group programs with a specific start. Set the date if needed, then click Next. Next, add your first milestone. Give it a welcoming title and write a description that thanks clients, outlines what happens next, and explains how to schedule sessions or contact you. If you use a booking calendar, click Add Calendar and paste in your calendar link so clients can book directly. Then click Next. Finally, review everything. Set the visibility of your coaching service to visible, invisible, or unlisted, depending on whether you're ready to share it publicly. When you're satisfied, click Add Coaching Service at the bottom right and wait for the page to load. You'll see a confirmation that the product was added. From there, you can click Preview to see what enrolled clients will experience, or Edit Sales Page to customize the public sales page for your coaching offer.